Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to adding option menu in the all general activity. That is here, we will add option menus. So for that, we need to create new Android resource directory. So go to resource, right click on it, click on new and Android resource directory. Now select menu, click OK. Now inside menu, create new menu resource file. Give it name, that is options. Alright, so go to code, split. Now we need to add items inside it. So let's do it. Let's add first item. That is, we are going to add a button that is plus, that is plus sign. From here, from that we can move to the another activity. So give it ID, that is options. Icon, that is Android. Drawable, IC. Input add. Alright, give it a title. That is add journal. Now show as action always. But I think we need to change it to the always if room is available. So change its ID to add button. Now add another item. That is for logout. Title, that is logout. Now change the show action to if room is available. That is if room. That means if there is space. Now it is never. Alright, copy it and paste it for share. So that is done. Close it. Now go to the activity. Now let's override the on create options menu. That is a method. Now let's inflate the menu file. That is get inflated dot inflate r.menu.menu. That is name of our menu file. That is options and pass the menu. Now override the on selected item. Now let's take switch case in which we will match the IDs and according to IDs we will perform the actions. So r.id dot, that is action for the logout and break. Same with share and add button. So that's it. We will add action here, but after we will run it first. So let's run it. Alright, get started. Now log in here. Okay, now here we have a menu files, that is option menus, logout, that is share, that is plus. Now from here we will move to the add journal activity. So let's write code here, that is start activity, get application context. Now from here add journals dot class, also add new intent before the get application context. Let's run it. Now tap on it. Here we go. Now we can move to the add journal activity. So this is for it. I will see you next video guys. Thank you.